What's up guys, Walter here with Federal Brace. It's day 2 of IWF in hot Atlanta, but it's actually not that bad this year. So we are super excited to be here, and I want to show you our floating shelf wall and a few other cool things in our booth. Starting right here, we have our accent floating shelf bracket. You'll see that we've over-engineered the bracket to work as a backsplash around your floating shelves. Now everybody's been doing floating shelves the same way, so in Federal Brace we try to innovate every single day, and the accent is really cool. What's even cooler than that is concealed floating shelves. Bang bang, you're gonna like these. They're gonna come out in multiple sizes. We're gonna have a way to lock these in, and you're gonna like them. We have many classic floating shelves now, and we have lots more to look at. Follow me. We're gonna go all the way to this side to our white luxury porcelain floating shelf. Now, this is supported with a floating shelf bracket from Federal Brace. So, you know you're gonna get 200 pounds of carry capacity on every application, and you get that high-end luxury finish of the porcelain. Also, those are available as mantles. I don't want to pull this one, it's a little too heavy for me. I've been working out, but not that much. Let's go check out a new product. It's our Click Corbel. Now, picture this. You've got a countertop, you need to support it. It's got an overhang. You're gonna use a metal bracket because that's the best way to do it. But what if you want a corbel? Well, now you don't have to fasten that corbel in because it can be done with magnets. This is the new Click Corbel from Federal Brace. Just click it in, and you're done. Now, follow me around here. This is what the world knows us for. It's countertop support brackets that look good and they perform the best in their industry. This is our very popular Brunswick, available in brown, stainless. This is our Arrowwood. This is our Streamline. This is our Chevron. That's more than you'll ever need. But down here, bench support brackets. This is a personal favorite of mine called the Archer. This is going to get you 500 pounds of carry for an outdoor seating area. It can be used indoor, use it wherever you want, honestly. Great for commercial projects. At Federal Brace, we innovate every single day, and all of our products are 100% made in the United States of America. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.